Good morning, Shadow Twerkers. It is Simone, and I am back with another daily video. So today is March 18th, 2022. If you're new to the channel, again, my name is Simone, and here we're creating tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation videos, and meditation music. We're also creating our very own tarot deck called Celebrate Life. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, okay, so let's get right into today's reading. Sorry, my hair is like dripping. I just washed my hair. Shit. Okay, March 18th, 2022. Hope everybody is legendary. Let me see. Oh, it's too many cards. But Sweet Serenade, 1 to 3 months in winter. Okay. Let's see. March 18th, 2022. March 18th, 2022. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's quiet today, but I feel really good about today. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how y'all feel, but I feel really good. Really good. All right, hold on. Let me shuffle it this way. Or if 3 cards fall out again, I'll take them. March 18th, 2022. It's too quiet. Okay, there we go. Okay, 12 hours. So something is happening quickly, or something takes 12 hours. Something is significant is happening 12 hours from now. Maybe something happened 12 hours ago. Date night. Okay, so you could be going on a date, could be expecting something significant to happen on a particular day, on a particular night. Or maybe something's happening tonight, because right now, what time is it? It's like 8:50 right now, for me anyway. So maybe 12 hours from now, you may be expecting a date. You may be going on a surprise date. Okay. Let's see, what else? March 18th, 2022. Ooh. Unexpected money and bugaboo. Damn. It was sounding good. And then bugaboo. So we have unexpected money and bugaboo. So for me, bugaboo is something that's really annoying. And then unexpected money is self-explanatory. It's unexpected money, okay? Or the energy of money. And then side hose at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so you got options. Or people are looking at you. Let's see, do I want to use this deck? Let me use this one. March 18th, 2022. March 18th, 2022. For the collective, 12 hours. Ooh. Okay, the King of Wands. So somebody's really passionate about someone or something. Could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or someone that's moving quickly. Someone that's moving passionately. Someone full of love. Okay, let's see. Date night. Why is date night here? For the collective. Date night. Oh. Hold on. This is way too many cards. But let's see. The 2 of Pentacles, the 3 of Swords, Judgment, Queen of Cups, and the 4 of Cups. It's a lot of cards. Okay, here we go. Oh. The Queen of Swords reversed. We had her the other day, and I wasn't feeling too good about her. So, what was that reading called? What did I call that reading? I think it was called She's a Bitch, but I Still Love Her. So somebody's asking out this Queen of Swords, or wanting to date this Queen of Swords, wanting to interact with this Queen of Swords, wanting to have a date night with this Queen of Swords. But with the Queen of Swords being in reverse, I feel like it's either a denial or someone who's someone who just sharp with the tongue. We'll just say they're sharp with the tongue. Someone who, you know, she just looked mad. Like the Queen of Swords has, you know, resting bitch face. Look at her. She looked good, but she looked mad. Could be dealing with an Aries, not an Aries, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But yeah, so somebody's wanting to date this Queen of Swords, but maybe they're not receiving the communication they want to hear. Maybe they're not, I don't know, it don't feel good. It don't feel good. Somebody feels cut off with this date night and this Queen of Swords. I love the Queen of Swords, but then when I see her reverse, I'm just like, yikes. Just watch out, because like when I say quick with the tongue, slick with the tongue. Okay, Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and the Emperor for bugaboo and unexpected money. Bottom of the deck, the title card. So this is something about you. The Emperor is Aries energy. And the Emperor is also about somebody who's taking control of a situation, or someone who has control, someone who's in control, someone who's authoritative. So maybe this person is taking control of money. Ooh. Okay, this download just came kind of clear, and I got mixed emotions about it, but I'm gonna just tell you, if it resonates, it resonates. If it don't, leave it alone. But with the Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, right? The Six of Swords is about moving away from something or someone. And then the Six of Pentacles is about giving and receiving and showering someone with gifts. So I feel like this Queen of Swords or this King of Wands, it could go either way, is taking control of a situation. They're annoyed with the situation. I feel like they're receiving unexpected money, but they're not sharing it with this person. They're not wanting to share it with this person. They're not wanting to, I feel like support. They're not wanting to support somebody. Like they're moving away from supporting somebody, because the Six of Pentacles in this deck, traditionally in tarot, I wish I could pull out the cards and show you, but traditionally in tarot, the Six of Pentacles is about giving and receiving on an equal level. But in this deck, if you see, there's this tiger guy and he's got the coin, he's in control, and he's showering this woman with his coins. But with this being in reverse, it's like not wanting to do that or not doing that. So I feel like someone is taking their power back or taking control by taking the money. Somebody's taking the money and they dip in. So if this is a love relationship or like a love situation, someone is deciding to not be involved, or to not involve themselves in that way. So maybe they're annoyed with always having to shower someone with money, or always having to spend money, always having to, okay, so if this is a date night and you're dealing with somebody who always pays for stuff, like they're probably taking that back. Like they're not wanting to do that anymore. Or maybe the situation is being reversed, where this Queen of Swords usually takes care of everything, but now this King of Wands is deciding to take care of everything, or in 6 hours. 6 hours may be significant for you too, but I think it's just because all these sixes are popping up. But in 12 hours, maybe this King of Wands is coming into unexpected money where they don't have to be taken care of. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they're taking control of their situation and they're moving away from being supported. You know what I'm saying? So it could go either way. It could really go either way. And then side hose at the bottom of the deck. Ooh, yes. That's the fuck I'm talking about. This is nice. So then we have the Two of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. So the Ten of Pentacles, you already know, is about generational wealth, having all the money, having the coin. Okay, so I feel like both parties are coming into their wealth, or deciding to keep their wealth, or to have their wealth, to share their wealth. Not even share. I don't feel like share. But with side hoes, I feel like there are options. They have options as to how they're going to get this wealth, or how they're going to take control of a situation. But the Two of Swords is a decision. So someone is deciding to be wealthy. Someone is deciding to, like I said, not be supported. Like, I feel like somebody is taking control of a situation. Oh, bad timing under side hoes. Yikes. So, or maybe this person is deciding to be wealthy and coming into wealth with side hoes, and then with bad timing, like maybe this Queen of Swords doesn't want to deal with them. I just keep feeling like she just don't want to be bothered. Like, looking at her face, she just look like she don't want to be bothered, and she's under date night. And now we have the Four of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So somebody's crying over spilt milk. So I feel like somebody came into wealth too late, or somebody started supporting themselves or being independent too late. Two of Pentacles, yeah. Yeah, like they made a decision about money, but I feel like it's too late. The Tower. So yeah, it's a shake-up moment for somebody. And then the Nine of Cups reversed. Yikes. So it's like, now I got the money, but I don't have my love, or I don't have what I got the money for anymore. Yikes. That sucks. But at least you got the money. Shit. Like, let's be grateful. Let's count our blessings. Okay, maybe this Queen of Swords might come back around, but I do feel like somebody's taking control of a situation where they were dependent on someone or something, because this card, I just feel like dependent. It can go either way for me, but in this spread, I feel like somebody was dependent and now they're taking control. Somebody was annoying with bugaboo, and now they're coming into unexpected money, and they're trying to take control of a situation, or trying to go on a date, or trying to rekindle things with this Queen of Swords. But I feel like the Queen of Swords is still, like, I feel like you cut off. I feel like once an air sign cuts you off, like, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Unless they decide that they want to come back to you, that's a wrap. But that's just me. Five of Cups now at the bottom of the deck. So yeah, somebody's unhappy. Somebody did a lot a little bit too late. So let's see. Have we done our time? Excellent. All right, let's pull an oracle card and we'll wrap this up. March 18th, 2022 for the collective. March 18th, 2022 for the collective. Ooh, shit. Yeah, I feel like a lot too late. How many cards is this? There's too many cards. But have faith in your dreams. Expect powerful change. And your dreams need a practical plan. That actually goes with everything. Damn, I'm just going to take it. And it's time to release negativity at the bottom of the deck. So yeah, I feel like this Queen of Swords was taking care of everything. Like, this Queen of Swords was this tiger guy in this situation. And they decided to not do that, or they decided to not support someone, not bossy move. They decided to not support someone, and then somebody had to give their dreams a practical plan, or make a plan for their dreams. And they took control. They were annoying about something. They took control. Or maybe they're talking about this during this date night, this King of Wands, Queen of Swords, or people that are embodying this energy. But Spirit is saying, have faith in your dreams. Make a plan, have faith in your dreams, and expect powerful change. I feel like this is advice for this King of Wands. Because I feel like the King of Wands is passionate and the King of Wands is wanting this. But I feel like the Queen of Swords is not. And I feel like for the Queen of Swords, the advice is it's time to release negativity. But for both parties, expect powerful change. So I do see both people getting what they want, but I feel like if it's a relationship that's wanted, that's a no. I don't feel like right now is conducive for, if you're not already in a relationship, I don't feel like right now is like a conducive time to be wanting to connect with someone. But that's just me. So that's what I have for you guys today. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And until next time, if you need a personal reading, information for that is in the description box below. So until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.